Advertising revenue. YouTube pays you a portion of the revenue generated from ads shown on your videos. To enable monetization, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months and follow YouTube's monetization policies. Channel memberships. You can create a channel membership program that lets viewers pay a monthly fee to access exclusive content or perks like badges or emojis. You must have at least 30,000 subscribers to be eligible for channel memberships. Super Chat and Super Stickers. These are features that allow viewers to pay to have their message highlighted during a live stream or to send a virtual gift to the creator. Merchandise sales. You can sell branded merchandise, such as t-shirts or mugs, through YouTube's merchandise shelf feature. Sponsored content. You can collaborate with brands or sponsors to create sponsored content. This can include product reviews or endorsements, sponsored videos or segments, or sponsored live streams. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services and receive a commission on any resulting sales. Crowdfunding. Creators can also use crowdfunding platforms, such as Patreon or Kickstarter, to earn money from their fans or supporters. This involves creating exclusive content for subscribers who pay a monthly fee or launching a project or product that fans can contribute to. Fan subscriptions. Similar to channel memberships, creators with at least 10,000 subscribers can offer a fan subscription feature which allows fans to pay a monthly fee for access to exclusive content. YouTube Premium revenue. YouTube Premium is a subscription-based service that removes ads from videos and allows users to watch offline. Creators receive a portion of the revenue generated from YouTube Premium subscriptions based on how much their content is watched by subscribers. Licensing your content. You can also license your content to other media outlets, such as TV networks or streaming platforms, for a fee. Sell digital products. You can create and sell digital products like ebooks, courses, or music through your YouTube channel. You can use platforms like Gumroad or Teachable to sell your digital products. Exchange for payment. You can feature their products or services in your videos. Utilize YouTube SEO. Use search engine optimization techniques to increase the visibility of your videos in search results. This can help you attract more viewers and earn more ad revenue.